Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a cleaning fee on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in admin.booking.com. Now there you have to sign in with your host or partner account of booking.com. Once you do that, on the top left corner you can see a three-line menu option. There you have to find property. Under property, you can see options like property page score, general info, VAT tax charges, photos and policies. Select policies. Once you tap on policies, you have to find additional fee under other policies. There you can see there's additional fees and charges and edit button right below it. Tap on it, change your option to yes, and from type of fee, you have to select cleaning fee, then select the payment type and add your amount, then tap on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you add cleaning fee on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.